And bang, look at that. Victor wooden rat trap doing its job. Whew. Got my second rat inside on the channel. These are actually a lot more satisfying than the outside catches because this guy's a potential intruder to our living space and crawling into our walls and wreaking havoc on the electrical system. So rat trap Victor, oh actually there's a tomcat rat trap by Victor, baited with peanut butter, and finally got this guy. Now let's go outside and see what else we've caught. Wow. And here's a Have a Heart 0745 trap, live catch animal trap. Normally it's placed right here, but it looks like it's moved, so I suspect it's more than a mouse and more than a rat. Probably a squirrel. Squirrels are the only thing powerful enough to kick around and move this. And yep, we've got a little juvenile squirrel. So we're definitely going to let this guy go. Let's move on to the ivy and see if we've caught anything there. Alright, coming down the ivy. Looks like the other 0745 trap has been set off. And you know what? That tomcat trap is set off too. Looks like we've got a little rat caught in there. Looks like he's been sitting for a few days. He's already been kind of stripped bare by the ants. And maybe because of that trap being set off, accidentally set this one off. Looks like the peanut butter's gone. No one inside, so I suspect a little mouse came and stole the bait. But hey, at least we got a targeted catch right there. Now let's go check the night camera footage and see if we got any more rats. Wow, so what crazy action. All started out with the rat that I caught in the tomcat snap trap inside. Got this little guy in the ivy and a tomcat black snap trap. Got this little juvenile squirrel that we're going to release in a Have a Heart 0745 trap. I release squirrels because I don't consider them quote-unquote invasive. They're not looking to nest in our living space, so he's free to go. We'll let that guy go in a second. And probably the craziest catch for the day, this large brown rat that basically tangled up all three traps. Glad to get this guy out of the ecosystem outside. All in all, I think the most successful day I've ever had on this channel. Now let's go let that little guy go.